Get all the beard that's like already cut off, and then mix shaving cream with it and smack Kale in the face. Get Jacob to smack him. Oh man.
Dude, that's some serious hair.
Yeah, dude.
I want to be a real boy.
Good man.
Came to serve the Lord.
Give serve Lord.
The center of the blob, you know, they jump from here actually. They jump from outside.
Okay.
Oh, we're good, man.
This is all cinematography stuff.
Right?